ladies and gentlemen, just to remind you about what you need so that you can set your simple a la carte table, you need side plate. And as I'm going to set for 2 people, so I'll place the side plate on left-hand side of my guest. And then the second one, I'll place it again on the left side hand of my guest. The second thing that you need, then I bring my cutlery. So you'll need the butter knife, and you place it here. You don't place it on the center because you may need to put like bread here on the side plate. And then the second one, I place here. So when you're done with this, you start then to set cutlery. Here, as we said, it's a simple setup. What you need is to place table knife here, and then the table fork here, and make sure that you obey the 2 centimeters distance from the cover up to the end of the table, so that you minimize risks. And then after setting table knife and table fork, you set dessert fork on the top and dessert spoon following. And then I'll be going to set for my second guest. Here you have to make sure that you respect what we call symmetry. If you can measure, this knife is at the same line with my dinner fork for the other side. And the dinner fork here will be at the same line with the dinner knife of the other guest. And then I proceed with the dessert cutlery. Good. So after setting my table like this, what I'll need to put this centerpiece just to beautify my table. And here I'll place the condiment. As I said before, this is olive oil. This is vinegar, balsamic vinegar, but you can use as well a white vinegar. So I'll place it there, and then bring pepper shaker and the salt shaker. So after doing that, I remain with one thing, which is napkin. So in some restaurants, fine dining restaurants, they may use what we call show plate, the big plate, this one. So I can place this, and this helps to serve like hot plate. If you have like spaghetti, which is very hot, or lasagna, which is very hot, so there you need the show plate so that you can place the dinner plate on the show plate. But make sure that after serving main course, you remove the show plate. So I'm going to fold the napkin here. So according to the napkin, this is a good napkin, but as it is lacking some starch in it, so I need to fold a napkin which doesn't need to stand. So here I'll fold a napkin which is called diamond shape. Okay, I fold it by bringing that part above, and I followed by the rest, and I turn a bit this corner and this one. So if you can see, it's a good diamond napkin folded. Okay, there at the other side, my second guest, I'll fold the diamond without using a show plate, because you may have it, or you can set a la carte table without using a show plate. Okay, this is diamond napkin folded. I would like to tell you about just few details. As you see here, the setup, we set the table or dinner fork at the left of the guest, left hand of the guest, and the knife at the right side of the guest. So don't mix. Maybe if it occurs that a guest order for something else. Let us say, as we said, that we have a different kind of cutlery. If a guest order for steak, beef steak, what can I do? What can you do? Okay, simple. Let me show you what we do. You bring a steak knife and you adjust the cutlery. You set the steak knife because the client has ordered a steak, beef steak. Okay, our setup, a la carte setup, is finished. But I think there is something missing. Can you find out what is missing? Good. Let me show you what is missing. This glass, and we call it water goblet. It's a glass which we use to drink water. So we have to put on the top of our knife. Good. So even here, we set our water goblet. So now the setup is completed. But a simple detail, because we used to say that sometime we can change our settings, isn't it? Okay, let us say here I've set my table, but I don't know what my guest will order. If this guest order like beef fillet, what can you do? You can do what we call cutlery adjustment. You adjust cutlery by bringing the steak knife and take back the dinner knife, and then you set the steak knife here. This is for steak. If the guest order for fish fillet, tilapia fillet, what can you do? You adjust your cutlery by changing both knife and dinner fork, and you put this fish knife here at the right hand side of your guest, and the fish fork at the left hand side of your guest. Let us think about the complicated one. If a guest order for like spaghetti bolognese or tagliatelle, what can you do? This is quite different because normally the fork goes on the left hand side of the guest. But for spaghetti, you remove the knife and you change the position of the fork to the right hand of your guest, and then you put the spoon here at the left hand, and there you finish to adjust your cutlery according to what the guest has ordered. About the salt shaker, pepper shaker, you can realize that the number of holes are different. Here we have a pepper shaker with 3 holes, but you may find another pepper shaker with 1 or 2 holes, or with a letter P, means pepper. And this, for salt, has so many holes. It has 5, but another one can have like the letter S, holes with the letter S. So you have to be sure that you arrive to differentiate and to use properly these shakers. Ladies and gentlemen, if we were together through the first process or step up to the last one while setting a la carte table, you saw that it's simple. It's simple to set a la carte table because you need few equipment, few items compared to the second one, which is table d'hôte. So now I invite you to follow the next video, which will be talking about table setup, but second part of table d'hôte menu. Thank you.